Ayan, thank you so much, Mr. Choi from Only Us Family. Now we will return to the musical podcast. This is DJ Honeybee sitting in for Luna Lily Love. Kaya nga pala, nagtasking siya. So, pag-usapan na natin do sa topic na yan, do sa usapang palaka. Okay. Porket libre lang concert dito, may palaka ka naman. Okay, so, sinabi ko dito do sa community post, people who always listening here at 7:30 in the evening, I was officially shocked when I saw the frog behind his studio. And it won't go away. Kokak, kokak. Somebody watch out of this frog. Kahit palaka lang, ayan lang ang kinatatakutan ko din sa studio niya. Siyempre, no joke. I was a bit restraining about this frog behind his studio while I'm dancing with him. Masyado nakakairita yung palaka na tumatalon sa paa ko. Kokak. Okay, disclaimer to DJ Sting, no frogs are getting harmed during live streaming. I repeat, no frogs are getting harmed during live streaming. Oh, sabi ko sa iyo eh. Well, salamat po sa pagbibisita niyo sa aming center stage. SMJ Choi from Only Us Family. Well, nagbibigay ako ng pahayag sa kanya. So yes, I'm ready to listen here kasama si DJ Sting. Siyempre, dito lang yan sa 12:06 a.m. Oh, di ba? Pabalang ko lang sa'yo yan ha. Kasi, totoong voice over ko na pala to. Siyempre, ako nga pala yung main lady ng dance floor. Pagdating sa sayawan, siyempre, anong dapat isigaw? 7:30 na, sayawan na, decades of sounds na. So yes, I had to sing a few more songs before the show's about to start. So, syempre, makakasama nilang kami hanggang alas 8:30 ng gabi. So, wag na natin to patagalin pa and let's get this party started. This is DJ Honeybee for Musical Podcast and I will sing you a few more songs before the show is about to start.